Okay, we're on a roll. Fourth video. If students will stop looking at other stuff and pay attention to the video, please, that'd be awesome. All right. Now, these two concepts are very, very closely related. Check out these drawings, which are poorly done. I just took pictures of like practice documents. The pictures you're going to see on the final are going to be much, much better. Actually, I think they're hand-drawn. Anyway, long story longer. You see, I put arc length, but I made area of the shaded sector. So sorry about that. We're going to do this one second. And then here I put area there, but I meant arc length because I drew the arc length. So sorry I screwed up the order there, but that's what we're about to do. Figure out the concept between arc length and sector area. They're very, very closely related. Look at the second half of both proportions. Both of them you're setting it equal to the central angle over 360. You just have to remember what you're dealing with. If you're dealing with the arc length, that's a linear distance. That's the circumference around the circle. So the arc length you're trying to find over the circumference equals the angle over 360. If you're finding the area like the sector area, think of this as a pizza slice. How much is one pizza slice divided by the area of the entire pizza? So that's area. You got to make sure the bottom left of your proportion is the correct formula. Okay? So let's go to these easy ones. We're not going to do the calculator buttons. I'm just going to do the setup. You can figure out the calculator buttons and figure out the right answer on your own time. So this radius is 25 and the central angle is 150. So this first one is, let's use x. 2 times pi times 25 equals 150 degrees over 360. This one, 50 inches and 60 degrees. So let's use y. 2 times pi times 50 inches equals 60 degrees over 360. Okay, that's the setup. You guys can cross multiply and do the calculator buttons on your own. I can do the answers offline, and if you have a question about these, want to know the answers, come and ask me outside of class time. For these two, sector areas, the pizza slices, again, you're going to do in the radius squared. So 13 squared, do that one first. 13 squared is 169. So you're going to have, let's use z over 169 pi equals 100 degrees over 360. And then, let's see here, 21 squared, I think that's 441. So this one, let's use A for sector area. So it's 441 pi. That's pi r squared. Do the r squared first. And that equals, it's 115 over 360. And again, cross multiply correctly. Any questions on that? Sweet. One more video today.